Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python functions with required arguments. So first of all, what are functions in Python programming? So function is an indented block of code which is used to perform some task in a program. So coming to some technical points related to the function. A function, it is used to divide our big program into small modules, and technically we call it as modular programming. A function can be defined only once in a program and it can be reused or called any number of times. So basically, a function eliminates repetition of code and saves wastage of memory for our program. So functions are of two types: predefined functions, user-defined functions. Predefined functions come with predefined library modules with Python software. Example, print, range, input function. And user-defined functions are defined as per the requirement of the developer or user in a program or application. So now coming to the required arguments. So required arguments are those arguments which are passed to a function during its call. So here number of arguments should be same, otherwise we get a error, and their position should match, otherwise we might get inappropriate output, which means wrong output, and we might get error also. So now coming to required arguments, let us have definition of a function f1 with the three input parameters, para1, para2, para3. So whenever we are calling these functions, we are supposed to pass exactly three input parameters which need to be used in the function f1: arg1, arg2, arg3. So here number of arguments are 3 and their position should match, otherwise we may get inappropriate output or error. So here arg1 is assigned to para1, arg2 is assigned to para2, arg3 it is assigned to para3. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python functions example 6. So now let us try to demonstrate this. Take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. So let us check two examples for required arguments in a function. So first I'm defining a function f1 which takes one input parameter uname, and it prints hello uname in its indented block of code. So now coming to input, enter your name, store that in ss, call f1 function with ss. Right, so save this program, come to the prompt where you have saved the program and run it. So Python function example 6.py. So enter your name, Sai Ram Kumar. Okay, so it is printing hello Sai Ram Kumar. So here we have only one input parameter, hence we are passing only one argument. So ss will be assigned to uname. So uname, which is in the form of ss, is a required argument. Okay, so if I don't pass it f1, I'll just call the function directly. Okay, so save this and run it. Okay, so enter your name. Okay, so Sai Ram Kumar, but I'm not passing it. Okay, so when I'm not passing ss to f1, so missing one required positional argument, uname is missing. So this is called as required arguments which need to be passed depending upon the number of, okay, so number of parameters which are used in the function. Now let us go for the second case. Right, in the second case, I'm going to take here f2 function, define f2 function. I'm passing here three arguments: roll number, name, height, and then I'm printing student details, print roll number, comma, SNO, name, comma, SName, height, comma, height. Now I'm going to call f2 function by passing three required arguments: 1001, psi, 6.2. Similarly, f2, 1002, RAM, 5.9. So save this and then run it. Okay, so this is 1001 and this is 1002. Okay, now what I'm going to do here, I'm calling f2 function with only two arguments, 1003 Ali. So the third position, height, is missing. Now in this case, we'll get a type error saying that in f2 function call, we are missing one required argument, which is height. So if we have three input parameters, pass exactly 3. Okay, next case, I'm going to pass something like Krishna. Okay, name is Krishna. I'll pass height 5.8. Okay, right, and then I'm going to pass roll number 1004. Now in this case, we are passing exactly three required parameters, but the output is inappropriate. Roll number Krishna, name 5.8, height 1004. So this is a inappropriate output, though the program is executed. Okay, so we'll get wrong output because order of required arguments, okay, is not correct. So order is not correct, that's why we are getting the wrong output. So this is what is all about Python functions with required arguments. Number of arguments should match and order of arguments should also match. Otherwise, we may get error and inappropriate outputs. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.